Amidst an alarming rise in cases in Delhi, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has now requested the centre to remove age restrictions on vaccination and said that the surge in cases this time is worse than what Delhi saw during the third peak. Kejriwal assured no lockdown as of now, but said that cannot be ruled out in case healthcare infrastructure collapses. That's the only reason why there would be a lockdown. Aam Aadmi Party government yesterday introduced fresh curbs to contain the spread of virus. Most public gatherings have been banned. Limits have been set for attendance at restaurants, theatres and public transport. Limit has also been set for funerals. Functions like weddings are going to see a limit. Educational institutions and swimming pools in Delhi are going to remain shut. The government has also made it mandatory for air passengers from Maharashtra to carry a negative RT-PCR report 72 hours prior to arrival. The new restrictions are going to remain effective till 30th of April. Delhi on Saturday reported 7,897 new cases and 39 deaths. With this, the national capital's positivity rate has risen to over 10%, with the highest since November 23.
अगर आपका सहयोग मिलता रहा और अस्पताल की व्यवस्था काबू में रही, हमें दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। लेकिन अगर अस्पतालों के अंदर बेड्स की कमी होने लगी और अगर अस्पतालों के अंदर बेड्स नहीं मिलने लगे, तो कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लगाना पड़े। हम दिल्ली में लॉकडाउन लगाना नहीं चाहते, आपका सहयोग चाहिए। सरकार, हमारी सरकार तैयार है, दिल्ली सरकार तैयार है। हम घर घर जाके कोरोना की वैक्सीन लगाने को तैयार हैं। हमारे स्टाफ जो है वो घर घर जाके वैक्सीनेशन लगाने को तैयार है। 2 महीने 3 महीने के अंदर, मैं अभी मुख्यमंत्रियों की जब बैठक हुई उसमें और भी 2-3 मुख्यमंत्रियों ने कहा कि हम 3 महीने के अंदर पूरे अपने राज्य को कोरोना की वैक्सीन लगा देंगे। आप ये रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हटा दीजिए, 45 साल से ऊपर वालों को लगेगी। मेरी सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज से निवेदन है, अपील है, आइए सब मिलके काम करते हैं। ये वक्त राजनीति करने का नहीं है, ये वक्त एक दूसरे के ऊपर फिंगर पॉइंटिंग का नहीं है, ये वक्त एक दूसरे के ऊपर छीटाकशी करने का नहीं है। बाद में कर लेंगे राजनीति। सब मिलके अभी तो अब दिल्ली वासियों की सेवा करते हैं।
It is very alarming for Delhi that positivity rate of COVID-19 infection is going over 10%. And if you talk about the current data of positivity rate is 10.21%, and which was till March end was less than 1%. So we can see that how positivity rate is going to double. And as far as the 24-hour COVID-19 data is concerned, 39 people died due to infection, and there are 7,897 patients reported new infection as COVID-19. And now the pressure on hospitals also increasing with day by day, and doctors of the hospitals are also saying that demand of plasma, ICU beds and ventilator beds is also increasing. But don't be panic, always follow the protocol of COVID by which you can save yourself and your family. With camera person Sanjay Khan in Delhi, this is Ram Kinkar Singh for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.